Would you rather have 10,000 followers or 1,000,000 of them? Put the video on pause and tell me in the comments right now. Have you done it? Now, if you're honest, you probably took 1,000,000 of them. Because surely if you have something to sell, you'll sell way more when you have 1,000,000 followers rather than 10,000. But what if I told you that most channels that have 1,000,000 subscribers are dead broke?
Anyway, guys, as a YouTuber with 2 million subs, I work a 9 to 5.
And some channels that have 10,000 followers are making multiple millions of dollars every single year. So why are those $1,000,000 channels not making any money? So most of them are for the broad public, meaning that they don't have anything strategic to sell, or they might be a bit confused in what they could be selling. Because if you're making jokes, if you're making content to entertain people, there's not much that you can sell. So instead what you can do is you could have a channel that focuses on helping people to do something, to achieve something. This is what I did on my TikTok and ended up making over $10,000 with this product and several other thousands of dollars with other products. And I don't have a big audience, whether it's on this channel or on my TikTok account. But because I'm targeted to a specific audience that wants to make money online, I'm able to make such money. So one thing that you need is a phone, which we're filming on right now. The second thing that you need is a computer that we have right here. Now, the first thing that you have to do is you're going to have to pick a product. But what product do you have that could genuinely help people and that maybe helped you? That's the first thing. If it helped you, then there's a good chance that it could help other people. So maybe you took a course on photography, on how to lose weight, on how to play piano, guitar, anything like that. Maybe you've become somewhat better than some other people. So maybe you're not the biggest expert, but you know a little bit more than other people. If not, you could learn something about it. But maybe you took this course and that's what took the stepping stone for you. In this case, this was the course. So maybe you could become someone that promotes that course and makes money, because companies are very happy to pay you if you make a sale for them. So if you make a sale for them, they will pay you some money. It's called affiliate marketing. So how do you get into that? Well, first you're going to type in the name of your product, of your course, of the software that's been helping you. Type that into Google space affiliate marketing. You sign up to that program and most likely they'll accept you, especially if you've taken the course. Once you've picked the product, you're going to sign up to the affiliate program and you're going to make a sales funnel. Now, it does seem a bit complicated, but don't worry. I have a tutorial that I made a while back and I'll link that in the description and you can just follow along. Once you've done that, you don't even need your computer anymore. And now you're going to have to do some content. So what content are you actually doing? So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your phone and film yourself. Just like that, in selfie mode. Tell people about what you've learned through the course, something around the programs. You're just going to educate people on what you've been doing, what you've been better at, what journey you're going on if you know nothing about it, and explain to people what you're doing. And you do this and you post every day. If it's on TikTok, if it's on YouTube, you could post every week. But it's a lot easier on TikTok. I got to 14,000 followers in no time. On YouTube, it's a lot harder. So now you're posting every single day and you're going to tell people in some videos, not every video, but that this software has helped them. So you want to organize your content so that that thing makes sense to other people. If you build a channel that has 1,000,000 subscribers, but you have nothing to sell or nobody's interested in what you're selling, that's because you're all over the place. If you're focused on one problem, helping people solve one problem, that's where you're going to make the money, because you're able to sell. I was making content on TikTok, helping people or educating people how they could make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. And I was promoting a course called Legendary Marketer, which is that course. And that's how I got my first $10,000 before I even hit 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to do it right, do it focused, Don't worry about the vanity metrics of having a lot of followers. Instead, do it properly. And if you have a lot of followers, congrats, but that's not what's making you the money. So again, I'll link the YouTube video if you want to start right now. Get ready, do it, and build your sales funnel. So I'll link that video that explains everything on how you should do that.